Okay, on this video we will be unboxing the Braun Multimix 1 model HM 1100. So let's open it up. So there's the mixing parts. Machine. And the guide. Safety instructions and the maintenance and the warranty information. So this one is just a simple mixer. There's like 4 modes and a turbo one. And I guess the eject is the when you press this button, yeah. So this was quite a simple and fast unboxing video. Let's power it on. The cord is not very long, hard to say, maybe 1.5 meters. But it seems like a cheap mixer for normal daily use. And that's for this unboxing video.